For most of human history, people believed tomatoes could kill you.
They were once called poisonous, even cursed.
Today, we eat them without a second thought.
So what changed?
Why did humans decide this fruit was safe?
And how did it spread across the entire world? Today, we grow and eat billions of tomatoes every year.
We eat them raw, cooked, and transformed. But are we eating them the right way?
To answer that, we need to go back to the beginning.
Botanically, the tomato is a fruit. But culturally, we treat it as a vegetable.
It grows from a flower, just like they do.
And each fruit carries seeds for the next generation.
The tomato's story begins in South America, long before Europe ever saw it.
These early tomatoes looked very different.
They were smaller, tougher, and far less sweet. Indigenous civilizations were the first to cultivate them.
In the 16th century, tomatoes crossed the ocean.
They arrived in Europe as something unfamiliar.
And deeply suspicious.
Early Europeans believed they caused illness. In reality, the plates were the problem. Tomato acid pulled toxins from the metal. The misunderstanding lasted for centuries. Eventually, attitudes began to change. Cooking made them easier to trust.
Flavor replaced fear.
And the tomato finally earned its place on the table.
Southern Europe was the first to truly accept the tomato.
The climate suited it perfectly.
Cooking changed everything.
Heat softened both the fruit and people's fears.
Flavor replaced suspicion.
They adapted easily to new soils and climates.
Farmers scaled production efficiently. They crossed oceans more than once.
In New Lads, they thrived.
Every culture made the tomato its own.
It adapted to countless cuisines around the world. Different varieties began to emerge. Each bred for a specific use.
By the modern era, tomatoes became a global crop.
They were grown not just for taste, but for efficiency. Uniformity replaced wild diversity. The tomato entered the global food system.
Almost everywhere, the tomato became a staple.
And its journey was far from over.
Tomatoes aren't just tasty, they're packed with nutrients.
Lycopene, the red pigment, is a powerful antioxidant.
It may support heart health and reduce inflammation.
Eating them regularly can be beneficial.
Cooking them increases lycopene absorption.
Heat releases nutrients more effectively than raw alone. Raw tomatoes still provide vitamin C and K. They're low in calories but high in fiber. Roasting or simmering enhances both flavor and nutrients. Balanced meals make the tomato even healthier.
They contain antioxidants that may help prevent chronic disease.
Vitamins, minerals, and fiber combine to support health.
Tomatoes hydrate and nourish with every bite. Simple preparations unlocked taste and benefit.
And they make meals more visually appealing.
Every meal can include this versatile fruit. The seeds themselves contain beneficial oils. Different varieties offer slightly different benefits. Cooking often enhances antioxidant activity. Ultimately, the tomato is both delicious and nourishing. So how should we eat them for the best taste and benefit?
Cooking unlocks antioxidants and deepens flavor. But raw tomatoes still give vitamins, fiber, and freshness.
Roasting brings out natural sweetness you might never notice.
Used in sauces, soups, and stews, the tomato transforms meals.
From raw to cooked, each method has its own charm. Variety makes meals healthy and visually appealing.
No matter how it's prepared, the tomato remains versatile.
A fruit that traveled from suspicion to worldwide love. Some tomato varieties still surprise us. Flavors, colors, and textures. Next time you enjoy a tomato, remember its story and why humans couldn't resist it.